Hi, I've got your plan open in my X12. I don't have, well, I have a trial version. Maybe I should open it in the trial version of Pro. Never mind. Because some of the stuff that I might see in Premiere, okay, there's Pro 21, but it's, you know, trial version. Okay. So we'll go over here to downloads. There we go. That'd be more realistic to do this in Pro anyway. But I think the thing is, you put a different light fixture in here than what you originally had. You had this chandelier thing. So this is not a fair comparison. So I'm going to click on that to open the edit toolbar, and I want to replace from library. Let's see, we want chandeliers, since that's what you used before. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Okay, now I'm getting the same pattern. And so what can we do about that? You can go to, let's see, where is that? 3D lighting. We can adjust no, there ain't no sunlight because there's no windows. Pardon my bad English, but I'm from Texas, so I speak however I want. Okay. Automatic use light settings. Let's just change that and see what happens. Okay, now I'm going to open the light fixture and take a look at the light data directly. And it's a point light, which would be correct for a chandelier. And you can adjust the lumens up and down. Let's see. And you can make it brighter by adding a light. Let's see, there's a drop down. Let's go light 1 and see what that does. It's more severe. So it seems to be an attribute of this symbol. Let's see, what else could we do? Yeah, let's take a look at this. We could turn off shadows, see what that does. Ooh, how about that? See, I went to the camera directly and just turned off shadows. See, big difference. And of course, there's no reflections possible in here. Bloom, we could turn off bloom. That's a light kind of thing. See? All right. It depends. You have to open these dialogues that control this scene and adjust them to your liking. Edge smoothing, I usually use that. I don't think bloom's all that terrible. But see, it just made a very slight change. But show shadows is the one that really turned. See, this is a shadow line here. So it turns shadows off again. You know, it depends on the effect that you want to create. And you have some controls, like I can click on the light fixture and go to the light data and make it less dim, like it less bright. That's didn't make all that big a change. Let's go to 100 lumens. It's still about the same light pattern, it's just less bright. You can adjust the brightness here. It's it's a bit brighter. Okay, so that's about all I can tell you. The quality of your own video card, it looked like your video card and my video card are about, on a par. But hope this helps you. I mean, I didn't find out anything earth shaking except the shadows being employed in this is what was causing that. And that's the way it's programmed to work. If you don't like it, turn it off. Okay. Hope this helps you. If it doesn't, well, have a great day anyway.